but it looks like one of the babies is gone. Not sure where. Maybe a dog had it. Okay, so we're at the furniture shop. Buying a bed. That's the one there that I'm having. Pretty basic, I'll give you the prices later. But they give it a coat of varnish and they deliver it. They also need a mattress. Down here you have a foam mattress. That's getting on 8,000 baht. Or you got the blue mattress over here is 5,000 baht. So same company. This one's sprung. This one's just foam. This one feels a bit like rock. Too hard for me, I think. So I'm lucky enough to go for the sprung one. They said that they wear after a while and dip and whatever. Well, I'll be dead by the time that starts happening, so don't matter. So yeah, that's bed sorted out. Can't get them to make up a couple of bedside tables the sizes that I want out of the same wood as the bed, so I'm going to have to get that made somewhere else. She's there cleaning it all up now, and there we go. Amanda's looking at all of the furniture. She can look. I'm just getting the bed for now. Finish the bedroom by the weekend, hopefully. So I think delivery for the Thursday is probably on the cards, and then when the bed goes in, it's just a couple of bedside tables at some stage. We'll wait and see what comes of that. So it looks like 6,900 for the bed, 4,900 for the mattress. So that'll be 12, 13,800, something like that.
I take 11T.
Okay. So that is the bed and the mattress, coming to a total of just under 14,000 baht. So that comes to about £330 UK. So that's bed sorted. That was a miscalculation on my part. It was come to a total of 11,800 baht, which there goes the dust look, which is about £280 for my bed. See, not a clue. He's happy. Food on the table for him tonight. So this is Amanda doing the receipt, payment for materials for the roof down the side of the house. So much about the bikes rather than inside the house. So it's for the roof to go up, it's 25,000 baht deposit. That's for him to go and get the materials, and then another 10,000 baht on completion. So there's the dosh. So 35,000 baht comes to just over £800. See if it's value for money or not. Okay, so that's the 25,000 there. Okay, so that is the materials for the roof. Okay, so more shop with stuff in it. We've got babies and mum. And there, look. All happy amongst the baskets. Nice and cool. We can go away for Rang. And we have Big Ming Ming.
Mai Roiet, his name Mai Roiet, Maruay.
He's a big lad.
Mai Roiet.
Mai Roiet. You say you not see babies?
Baby outside, not
Yeah.
here.
That's right.
I take go home.
Okay.
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 Pay money for you. ขอบคุณครับ
Right, so Amanda's busy cooking on the barbecue, and she's just done
Chill.
some shell
Yes, and
that
sticky rice.
her next door but two neighbour give her. So she's got sticky rice and shell. You'll have a look when it arrives. So Amanda's got shell,
Chill in the bowl. In the
sticky rice, shell in the bowl.
Chill different ocean, not same.
Not the same as the ocean.
In the farm, nature. Different in the
And
ocean.
there are the shells.
Yeah, different.
They look like snails or whelks.
Thousand piece.
Yes,
Piece.
free.
Oh, smell good. Smell good.
Free from cousin.
In the big house. Oh, but fine.
And we also have sausage. Looking a bit well done. We've got a new wind chime.
Beautiful.
It's not windy, so it's not making noise. Got all these plants that she's potted up. These ones here she told me are dead, but I think they'll be all right. And here,
Papaya salad
the
here.
papaya
Here.
and
And here papaya salad.
and what are they again? They're
กะเพรากะเพราเด็ด
They're kapow. Oi, it'll be good. Anything that dies is mine. Huh. They're getting closer to me all the time. There's Mum. I mean, I've got my feet up on a chair and they went under that, just here. I don't know where the babies are now. Amanda tells me off with the chickens. Says they poo in the garden.
No.
Hey there. Amanda's been bin dipping again. Found all this junk. TikTok, TikTok.